Hello, in this video I will show you how to use the DB backup tool if the system is not letting you to backup your database. So first you need to go to select device and backup. Here you need to do a backup. Yes, like for the main page, desktop. And then the system is automatically closing down the system. Now you have the two files. And during the installation, you will have this DB tool. So first you need to do the backup. Then you need to install the new version and delete everything before the installation. That's how you can avoid the duplication in the pictures. And when you installed, you will see this new icon on the desktop. That's the DB import. And if you start it, you need to wait a little bit. You have two options. First is putting back all of the information for the Club 64, and the second is putting back all of the information for the disease lexicon. So if you have elements in the disease, that's the point when you need to use the disease lexicon as well. So now we are using only the CLASP 64, not the disease. We need to choose the file. It's on the desktop. Override the database. And you are done. That's easy. Sometimes it's giving you an error message like the database is locked. Don't worry about that. Just try again and it will help. Sometimes the Windows is locking the database. I don't know why, but a few seconds later you can use the DB import tool. Same thing with the disease dictionary. Choose the disease lexicon, click on import. You will see the lexicon file. Override the database, yes, and the system is updating the disease lexicon. That's easy how to use. And now it's finishing soon. And it's done. You can switch between the modes. It's the dark mode. It's the light mode. That's all. Thank you for watching this video.